Here are the ingredients you'll need: chicken, coconut milk, green curry paste, fresh vegetables, garlic, ginger, fish sauce, and spices.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to prepare delicious Thai green curry step by step.
These are all the ingredients we need. Make sure everything is fresh and well prepared.
Start by cutting your chicken into bite-sized pieces. Then chop your vegetables into even sizes so they cook evenly. Heat some oil in a pot, then saute garlic and ginger until fragrant. Add the green curry paste and stir to release the flavors. Add your vegetables and let everything simmer until tender and flavorful. Add your chicken and cook for a few minutes. Then pour in the coconut milk and stir gently. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.